Your ability to be the most productive version of yourself in 2024 is going to come down to your understanding of this game-changing feature. AI Assistant Beta in Adobe Acrobat.
Look, we've all been there. In school, at work, and especially in business, it feels like there's always some contract, brief, or project that comes along with a 10-page PDF that needs to be read, understood, and dissected. This major time sink has always railroaded efficiency and productivity. What is going to set you apart from the pack in 2024 is your ability to incorporate innovative tools to your workflow.
AI Assistant in Adobe Acrobat is going to help you get to the point with your documents so much faster. And it's going to make you an expert in seconds. This is going to revolutionize your productivity. So step one is you're going to upload your lengthy PDF. AI Assistant is closed circuit, so you can feel confident that your document is going to stay confidential. Step two, you're going to let AI Assistant do its thing. It's going to scan, analyze, and organize your entire document. And step three, you're going to ask AI Assistant your questions. Or you can use the suggested prompts to get started. Personally, I like to start with a general summary of the document, and then you can use the pre-populated questions to further your understanding. This helps me get to actionable output faster. This has helped me and my team move through our to-do list so much faster. AI Assistant is going to be incorporated into how everybody does business moving forward, and if you want to get a head start on your most productive year yet, you can try it today.